To make an offer on Mercari, start by logging into your account through the app or web browser. Once you've accessed your account, navigate to the item you're interested in purchasing and open its product listing. From there, click on the Make an Offer option. You also have the ability to bundle multiple items from the same seller and make a single offer. When entering your offer amount, be sure to make a reasonable proposal based on the seller's initial price, the product's condition, and its value as determined by research. You can also include a friendly message to the seller, if desired. After reviewing your offer, click Send Offer to submit it. The seller will then have 24 hours to accept, decline, or make a counteroffer. If your offer is accepted, the agreed-upon price will be automatically charged to your payment method. If you change your mind about the purchase, you can request that the seller decline your offer or cancel the transaction if it's already been accepted. The process is straightforward, and with these steps, you can easily make an offer on Mercari.